Hong Kong has been rocked by cryptocurrency fraud recently. What caused millions of investors in Hong Kong to lose millions of dollars? What are the fundamental questions you must know in cryptocurrency trading? We're going to discuss this today. Hi everyone, let me ask you a question. Would you invest in a company if some social media influencers or celebrities tells you that a company is legitimate and generates high returns? Apparently, many Hong Kong investors believe in these social media influencers, and they lost more than 1.4 billion Hong Kong dollars or $182 million in JPEX, Hong Kong's cryptocurrency trading platform. The largest investor lost 44 million Hong Kong dollars or 8 million Singapore dollars. More than 2,300 investors lost their money, and this is the largest fraud case in Hong Kong's history involving retailers. Apparently, some of the investors do not have experience in cryptocurrency and they just invested large sums of money into JPEX. These social media influencers and key opinion leaders would be the mouthpiece for JPEX and vouch for the legitimacy of the company and lure investors with high returns. Many of the investors were lured through seminars run by OTCs or over-the-counter shops that were connected and run by these social media influencers. These OTCs are located in prime locations in Hong Kong, like the famous Tsim Sha Tsui. One of them is Hong Kong's well-known feng shui master, Clement Chan, with more than 170,000 followers on YouTube. Chan encouraged people to attend a free cryptocurrency investment course and also offered promo codes for free gifts and discounts for investing in JPEX. Another Hong Kong social media influencer, Joseph Lam Chok, rented a 2,900 square feet office premise at the prime commercial space at the entertainment building located in Queens Road Central and operated an OTC called Lam Chok Coin. The office rental cost a whopping 260,000 Hong Kong dollars a month or more than 46,000 Singapore dollars. If you think about it, these OTCs are like your money changers, and margins are so thin with razor-cut competition, and yet these OTCs linked to JPEX offer high returns. JPEX also went all out to advertise its company and spent millions of dollars on advertisements on subway stations, buses, and billboards. JPEX also raised its profile and became the sponsor of Token 2049, which is supposedly the premier cryptocurrency event organizer. JPEX reportedly pays 70,000 US dollars as the sponsor, which is more than $500,000 Hong Kong dollars. So far, 11 people have been arrested. Among the celebrities questioned were Hong Kong actor and singer Julian Chung Chi Lam and Malaysian actress Jacqueline Chung Si Ming. The two celebrities filmed promotional videos for JPEX were not arrested though. This whole fraud case is incredible and just shows how powerful and persuasive the words of social media influencers can be in convincing investors and causing millions of dollars of losses. Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, or SFC, is the regulatory body for cryptocurrency, and it is clear from its website that JPEX is not a licensed operator and there are only two licensed virtual assets trading platform operators called OSL Digital Securities Limited and Hash Blockchain Limited. Apparently, SFC had issued 9 warnings about the risk in investing in unregulated cryptocurrency exchanges before the whole thing blew up. But the investors threw caution to the wind and continue to invest in JPX, although this company is not licensed by SFC. Either they didn't check if JPEX is an approved licensed cryptocurrency platform, or simply lured by the false sense of security of the words of the feng shui master and social media influencers. The whole fraud started to unravel on September the 13th, when FSC told the public that JPEX is an unregulated platform and does not comply with the rules, and warned the public against using it after receiving many complaints. Or perhaps it's the mentality of not losing out that caused the investors to lose money, as one investor said. It's very much like the kiasu mentality in Singapore. The Hong Kong cryptocurrency fraud is not the only fraud. You might have recalled less than 12 months ago, there was a mega cryptocurrency fraud in the US perpetrated by Sam Bankman-Fried. Bankman-Fried apparently graduated from the top university in the world, MIT, or the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and could have used his talent in a righteous way and help investors make money, but instead chose a criminal path and swindled $8 billion from his crypto hedge fund company. This was one of the largest financial frauds in US history. Call me a conservative, but I have only heard of high risk, high return and low risk, low return. Right now, we see an exception of low risk, high returns for deposit rates in banks because of the high inflation rates. There's really no freebie in the world. If anyone, even popular or well-known figures, claim that a company is giving high returns, you have to be extra careful and conduct your due diligence. What should we look out for in cryptocurrency trading? At the very least, the cryptocurrency platform you are trading in must be a licensed platform or company. In Singapore, there are only 12 licensed cryptocurrency companies licensed to operate in Singapore, according to Chain Debrief. Chain Debrief also listed 2 crypto companies called BHAX and Triple A Technologies, with a standard payment institution license, with threshold payment ranging from $3 million to $5 million. I was looking for the list of licensed cryptocurrency companies in Singapore on MAS website, but it was proving harder than I had imagined. I would suggest that you verify if the cryptocurrency company you are using is a licensed platform by MAS. If you have the link of the approved list of cryptocurrency companies, please share with our viewers. Last but not least, this is a very important question that you must ask. Can cryptocurrencies be used as a form of payment in Singapore? Apparently not, according to an article published by Morgan Lewis. The article said that the Singapore High Court rejected a non-profit organization called Allogrant Foundation's application to liquidate $53.5 million in stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency, as a form of money payment. In other words, if you have assets in the form of cryptocurrency and you want to use it as a form of money settlement for your debt in Singapore, you are likely to be in for a surprise. Cryptocurrencies are unlike properties or equity shares of publicly listed companies on approved stock exchanges, where you can liquidate them and use them as forms of money settlement. Be sure to check if your cryptocurrency investment can be used as a form of money payment in Singapore. Well, that's all, my friends. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.